Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Hello everyone to Zhaolong online webinar. My name is Sam. I work as technical manager in Zhaolong cabling department. Now it's my time to focus on the Zhaolong cabling interaction, and I will spend half an hour to introduce some new and next generation cabling solution we provide to customer. You see this slide 2020 Ethernet roadmap on the website. From everywhere, Ethernet control all the world. You can use the Ethernet technology in traditional intelligent building, the data center, maybe the service provider or ISP, we call it small internet service provider, or the new vertical field or marketing in your local markets. For example, the auto driving or the industrial 4.0. Yeah. So let's see the Zhaolong end-to-end solution matrix. We have the copper, patch cord, FO, fiber optic. We also have a special fiber we used in data center. We call it MPO solution, this one. And we also have the apparatus, including MPTL, the FPC fiber patch cord, and the MPO caster. And we also have the copper patch panel, faceplate, FO shelf, and inclusion. The detailed design factor when we consideration the current cabling project in your hand. For example, if you will consider more about the performance, like you have a lot of application need more and more bandwidth. So we give you more choice from Cat grade 6 1 giga to Cat6A 10 giga. So that's one factor very important. Another one is we have a new hardware we call the NPTL, like the stuff on my hand. You see, yeah, this stuff will provide the more strong enough capacity to support power over Ethernet. We will show the detailed information at the next slide. The third one is PoE technology will replace the traditional power cable plus data cable. So that means if you use PoE technology, you can provide cable and power currently in one cable. That's cool, and will cost saving and label. The last one is we will consider the in IBW, that means in building wireless coverage. So now the technology is moved from the fourth and the fifth generation Wi-Fi to sixth generation Wi-Fi. So we call the Wi-Fi 6. Yeah. So now that's the four different design factor we will consider at this moment. But how about maybe next 5 years? What will be changed? Let's see the next slide. In the performance or the requirements from customer, say the Cat6A, maybe 10 giga, maybe 5 giga, that's not good enough. We need more. So Cat grade 8 will provide a good choice. You can go to the 25 giga or 40 giga if you choose Cat grade 8 solution. The another one is the PoE technology will still upgrade to the more higher rate. For example, we provide 100, maybe 140 watt in one cabling. That's good, and we can support more kind of device, maybe the Internet of Things IoT device in your building. The third one is the Wi-Fi technology still upgraded to next generation. We call it Wi-Fi 7. At that time, Wi-Fi 6 provided support 10 giga capacity, but how about Wi-Fi 7? Maybe need 25 giga, maybe more. So let's see. This is the living example in when we use in your building. This camera connected to the cable. Use this stuff. You see, we call this MPTL. That's strong and maybe will help you to cost saving when you use to replace the traditional crystal. So you see, when the Wi-Fi generation from 5th to 6th, maybe next 7, we can support more and more IoT device in your building, maybe in your home. So that means we got the new Wi-Fi technology, we got the more bandwidth solution. So let's see if we choose, if we set up the 5th device, Wi-Fi 5th, maybe 1 gig enough. That means Cat6 okay. But if you set up Wi-Fi 6, you have to choose Cat grade 6A cable. That means it can support 10 gig bandwidth. So this slide shows Zhaolong copper cable family, a part of them. Yeah, we have the indoor application, maybe the outdoor scenario from the different category from the Cat 5E, 6, 6A to 7, 7A, and 8. I have no idea in your country. Mostly we use the category 6, 6A in mainland China. Yeah, maybe in your country you still use the Cat 6, Cat 5E, Cat 6, maybe more. For example, Cat 7 or 7A we were popularly used in Europe. Yeah. So let's see, we have totally 9 different specs in cable, but 4 unshielded design and the additional 5 shielded design. So if you choose UTP or shielded STP, FTP, we will show more detailed information in next slide. In this way, you can see we have the product roadmap from the lower Cat6 to Cat6, the enhanced Cat6 solution to next Cat6A solution. Yeah. In the past 12 years, Zhaolong Lab researched about 4 different generation cabling about Cat grade 6A UTP solution. That means after 2020, we have the upgrade technology. We call it the 5th generation Cat6A UTP solution. Can give you a very good price and very good EMI performance if you choose UTP. Yeah, this is another vertical application, maybe in popular used in New Zealand or Australia, maybe in your country. We provide a special design to protect some funny animal to damage your cable. For example, we use 2 different designs. One design is to use the steel armed. Another design we use the nylon special material. Yeah. So this is the IoT equipment we used in current building. Different level 1, 2, 3 to 4. You have got the different order 15, 13, 16, and 90. Yeah. So different level will provide support different device. For example, we can support the higher density IP camera if we choose the third one, the 30 order. But if you use the POS, point of sales, or information or laptop in your uh, office, we will need more power, need 60. But you still have higher power device, maybe this like this one, high power wireless. So you need to consider the cable can support more power. For example, the 90 watt. Yeah. So how about that? How do you know you choose the better cabling spec to support the PoE technology? Let's see detail. Yeah. From now, when the IoT will used in your surrounding, you will see, okay, we have got more and more outlet in one telecommunication room. So that means you need more space to support the maintenance for IP stuff. Yeah. So let's see what special solution provided by Zhaolong. For example, we have this one. Yeah. You see the stuff in my hand. This is a small, we call it a small diameter copper patch cord. So that means we can use this technology, this product to provide high density. You can see this This is one rack unit copper patch panel, support 48 ports. This is traditional 24 port density. So if you have more and more information outlets in your IT room, you can think about it to choose small diameter patch cord to give the staff more space. Yeah, so this is the UTP design. This is the shield design. We also provide this is support up to Cat6A. This is the Cat6A copper patch cord, small diameter. Yeah, so let's see the detailed information about the install in your project. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 different kinds of way to pull down, to bundle together, and to let them work. So I have no idea in your country, but in China we will prefer the second one. The second one is we bundle all the cable together. So like this module. So you can see what happens if we bundle all the cable together like this. So we know the center of the cable, the center of the bundle will got the temperature will got raised. So the right temperature will let the cable not work good. So what solution can we provide to you? Let's see detail. Yeah, you can separate the cable like this module. Every 24 cable bound together, every 24 cable bound together to let the temperature decline about 25%. But maybe that's not enough. So we recommend you to separate the bundle each other to let them have more space. So you can let the temperature decline any other more 30%. That's a good idea. Yeah. So in Zhaolong lab, we not only research the cable, but also research the jacket, the plug, the apparatus. So when they use the situation, the PD or the supply either pass through the power through our cable. So what happened? So we need to research the apparatus also. So you can see the detail. Yeah. So in this slide, we will say that different country markets have different role according to the local markets or local government. So you can follow. We have different standard in the world. We have the CPRO used in European. We also have the IEC standard we used in maybe in China, and we also have the UL, CM, CMR, or CMP rate used in North America. So you can see this picture. We have the best one and the worst one. And in Zhaolong, we provide almost rate from B1, B2, C, D, E. And in your country, I don't know, but in China, we will probably will use the B2, maybe C, yeah. But Zhaolong provided the country to all the world, to all the country in the world. So we have the capacity to design, to manufacture all kind of rate cable. Yeah. So this slide will see the new and the next generation cabling. So we have different application in the market. For example, in the IB, in intelligent building, in data center, in service provider, or in DCI. But all the cabling will support the rows. Sometimes we need a third connection. Sometimes we need four connection. Sometimes we only need one pair. That means SPE technology. SPE is the abbreviation of single pair Ethernet. Sometimes we need a four pair, and we also provide the 100 meter, maybe 50 meter also. So you can got a different category and a different length and combine each other. So we can got a lot of product solution to suitable for your vertical market. Yeah. So now I provide a special apparatus for you. First one, we have a high performance copper outlet, and that's the Cat6 degree. And you can see the 4 different color. Actually, we have 10 different color in our stock. So that means the high performance. That means after we test, we got the next parameter more than 8 dB. The second one is we have the mini size Cat6A shared outlet. The mini size is very interesting because mini size can suitable used everywhere in the traditional faceplate, in a surface box, in the ceiling, or anyway. Yeah, but because this mini size, so that's available. The third and the last one is the Cat6A shield and unshielded NPTL. The stuff in my hand, that's the last one, the unshielded NPTL can direct connection to the camera, wireless AP also in your building. So that's very strong enough to support power over Ethernet. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching the video. You can leave a message. We will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks again. Have a good day. Bye bye.